Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make loaded potato soup in a crock pot. First, gather your ingredients. You will need about 6 medium potatoes, 4 cups of chicken broth, and 1 cup of heavy cream. Dice your potatoes into 1-inch cubes. Also, chop 1 medium onion and 4 slices of bacon. This preparation ensures everything cooks perfectly and develops rich flavors. Now let's get cooking. Place your diced potatoes, chopped onion, and 4 cups of chicken broth into your slow cooker. Set it to cook on low for 6 to 8 hours, or on high for 3 to 4 hours. The goal is for the potatoes to become wonderfully tender. Stir occasionally to ensure all the flavors meld beautifully. Once your potatoes are tender, it's time to make the soup wonderfully creamy. Mash about 1/3 of the cooked potatoes directly in the crock pot to thicken it. Then stir in 1 cup of heavy cream, 1/2 cup of sour cream, and 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. Finally, add your cooked and crumbled bacon, saving some for garnish, and season with salt and pepper. Your delicious loaded potato soup is now ready to enjoy. Ladle the hot soup into bowls, making sure each serving has a delightful mix of all the ingredients. For the perfect finish, garnish with extra shredded cheddar cheese, more crumbled bacon, and fresh green onions. Serve it immediately with some crusty bread or a simple side salad for a truly comforting meal.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.